9 years old, and we had storms here in the Cleveland area. We had significant hail damage, and I didn't realize how much there was until Lucas and I got on the roof and looked at it, and it had quite a bit of damage. It was total, so it needed to be redone. Crew did a good job. They were pleasant, easy to talk to. They cleaned up real well. We have a pool in the back of the house that's near. They didn't get any debris, no nails, either on the patio or in the pool, and that could have easily happened. Didn't have any problems with the shrubs around the building, which we were pleasantly surprised with. They did a very good job, and their workmanship was good, their craftsmanship was good, and they had it done in 2 days. We were pleased. They did a good job painting, spouts coming out of the roof, the vents, things like that. They put venting all the way across so it's a nice even look, which some people don't like, but we did, so we asked them specifically to do that, and they did. I think the roof looks really nice. The color that he matched with what we had on before, because we had had the house recently painted and wanted it to look the same. They did a very nice job matching the color. They did a good job replacing trim, basically putting it back as good, if not better, than it was. Yeah, in fact, I have recommended Energy Guard to several people around town. They've seen them doing the roofs here in town. They have a good reputation, and people are satisfied with them. I definitely would tell them that they're a quality company and are good to deal with. The things that they say they did. It hasn't been any problems at all. We've been very satisfied.